Hey folks, this is Rob Wells here with you from the Law Office of Robert M. Wells. Our office specializes in helping out landlords and property managers deal with their landlord-tenant situations and problems. In this video, I'm going to explain what the difference is between eviction control and what is rent control. Before I start talking into that, landlords, tenant, or property managers, if you're facing a situation where you may need help with a landlord-tenant situation or problem, such as your tenant's not paying your rent, not following the lease, or you just have any other landlord-tenant issue, please feel free to reach out to us below. So folks, I'm going to start this series about talking about the California Tenants Protection Act, and what this is going to do is I'm going to make a lot of short videos explaining what the TPA is and what it does. To understand what this state law actually does for landlords, two questions and the two differences that I need to explain to y'all is what the difference is between eviction control and what's the difference between that with rent control. These are two fundamentally different theories that states and local governments, such as your county or local city, regulate landlords' activity. So eviction control typically refers to any type of law or statute or ordinance that regulates how and when a landlord can terminate their tenancy with a tenant, versus rent control actually regulates how and when a landlord can raise rent and in what percentages. And both the state of California and many local municipalities regulate these two items. Now, with the Tenants Protection Act, the act does regulate both how a landlord can terminate their tenancies and also when and how landlords can increase rent for those that are subject to the act. And many places such as San Francisco, your Oaklands, your Richmonds within the Bay Area, these local cities regulate both. So that's the main difference between those two. And our next set of videos, we are going to cover what the Tenants Protection Act actually does with eviction control and rent control. So stay tuned to our videos. Until next time, if you have a landlord-tenant situation or problem, please feel free to reach out to us below. Until then, we'll talk to you then. Thanks.